Hello, my name is Alejandra Mendoza. I'm working for Interlatin. I wanted to thank you, Laura. Thank you, Territories of Tomorrow and LEILAC Foundation for this invitation. So in the next slides, you will see how is that Interlatin acquired the certificate from you. Thank you. Well, let's start. In this presentation, I'm going to explain how Interlatin acquired Living Lab certification and the certification to be the first laboratory for innovation spaces in Mexico. Interlatin is a specialist in several areas. We focus and recommend the best strategies in design and test for high-tech industries. We also manufacture and produce tools for them. We have an area for research and development. And well, as you can see now, we will receive the certification and we can invite others to participate in this certification process to have new innovative spaces and living labs. Interlatin received the certification from LEILAC and Territories of Tomorrow foundations. One of the innovation spaces that Interlatin created was Colibri 3D. The details I will explain them in the following slides. Another one was named Creative Tour. And here you have Interlatin certificate as a new innovation space laboratory in Mexico. Let me start explaining the Interlatin certification as a new lab for innovation spaces. It was labeled Territory of Tomorrow by the Foundation. It helps to create and develop new areas of innovation based on a knowledge economy and creativity, not just internally. We want to expand this knowledge to the rest of the actor. It constitutes an open innovation ecosystem that stimulates co-creating technologies, products, services, innovation, and disseminate new practices. These were new lab objectives. Let me summarize them in three. Short-term goals was for employees. They can create their own spaces within Interlatin innovation. The medium-term goal were employees with employees for other companies in Guadalajara. The long-term goals were employees and company can join the effort to create opportunities for innovation in all the Republic of Mexico. These same companies will extend an invitation to business partners, customers, and academy. Benefits. Users learn and exchange knowledge, develop new ways of working, create new jobs and training, creating collaboratory projects, internet site to develop interactions between areas of innovation, learning including benchmark and best practices sharing. You will find that Interlatin is working in several innovation spaces. I will explain them in the next slides. Two of them are Colibri and Creative Tour, which are the ones that will receive the certificate. Interlatin developed the first 3D printer in Mexico named Colibri. Colibri Living Lab 3D is a program that allows children to develop creative and innovative skills in 3D. It helps the academy to develop new ways of learning. It helps the industry in bringing their products to market faster, prototyping for different industries like medical, fashion, aerospace, automotive, and art. It helps also the society in general to experience their ideas creating three-dimensional objects. Another space, another living lab is the Interlatin. It's like the Anti-Cafe from Spain. It is a program that enables the user to have a space where they can create projects collaboratively. You can have agreements and new ways of working to find solutions to current and future needs. We invite employees, customer partners, and academy. Living Lab Preparatech, working together with industry and academy, is a program that will allow recent graduates to develop skills needed for their first job. They will hear experience of employees in the electronic industry, information to understand market behavior, the environment and the products, as well as a profile looking for a recent graduate. Creative Living Lab Tour, working together with the Academy and the Society, is a program that will allow children and youth to develop creative and innovative skills, encourage a little taste of science. They may have the experience to create technology prototypes for solutions to current and future needs. We create one mental map per living lab. This is a colibri where you can see that interact with creative tour, as I stated before, with the kids and young students. In each mental map, you will see the interaction among the employees, academy, partners, customer, and industry. The mental maps helps to have more clear ideas and have the information consolidated in one page. This is the last one, the creative tour mental map. The intention is to still working with the industry and invite other companies to be part of the tour. Here you have the evidence and pictures to the living labs. These are the ones that belongs to Colibri 3D. Here you have additional pictures, interlatin, creative tour, and there is one picture that shows also the participation of Continental in the creative tour living lab. Again, thank you very much for this invitation. If you have doubts, please do not hesitate in contact me.